Have you ever wanted to make original music but felt stuck because you can't play instruments or lack production skills? It's a common struggle for beginners. Thankfully, Suno AI offers an easy solution. It's a web and app-based AI music generator that can create full songs from simple text prompts, complete with vocals, lyrics, and instrumentation.
The stars above whisper his name, in every soul a burning flame.
In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Suno's free version to generate your own song. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and download a complete AI-generated track using your own ideas. First, open your web browser and go to suno.com or app.suno.ai. You'll need to create a free account if you haven't already. Click the Sign Up button and register with your email, Google, or another social account. With your free account, Suno will give you some starter credits to try music generation. For example, the free plan includes a few song creations to start with. On screen, you should then see a dashboard or menu once you're logged in. Pro tip: using a social sign-in like Google can speed up the registration process and get you generating music faster. After signing in, look for a Create or Make a Song button on the home screen or in the menu. Click it to open the AI Song Creator interface. You will see fields like a song description box and toggles for instrumental and custom settings. The interface may have example prompts or placeholder text. If you want an instrumental track without vocals, enable the instrumental toggle here. Otherwise, leave it off if you want Suno to include vocals and lyrics. Pro tip: instrumental mode is great for background music or beats. Try toggling it on and off to hear how it changes the song. In the song description field, type out what kind of song you want. Be descriptive. For example, you might write an upbeat pop song about summer love or a chill jazz track with saxophone about late-night city lights. This tells the AI your theme, mood, and genre. You can add as much detail as you want. If you enable the custom mode toggle, new fields will appear where you can enter your own lyrics, specify a musical style, and give your song a title. Fill these fields to give the AI more guidance on your lyrics, style, and title. Pro tip: use vivid, specific words and mention instruments or genres for better results. If you're including lyrics, try writing short lines or rhymes. Suno can weave them into the music. Always double-check that the instrumental toggle is correctly set to include or exclude vocals based on what you want. Once your prompt and options are set, hit the Create button. The AI will start working on your song. You should see a loading indicator or a message like "Creating your song" on screen. This usually takes a minute or two. After the generation is complete, Suno will display two versions of your song. Two audio players will appear, often labeled version 1 and version 2, each one a different take on your prompt. Pro tip: click play on both versions to compare them. If you see thumbs up or thumbs down icons, use them to rate each version. That feedback helps Suno refine future suggestions based on your tastes. Play the two versions by clicking the play buttons. Decide which one you prefer. Once you've chosen, click the download or export button, often shown as a down arrow icon, to save the song to your computer. You'll download a high-quality audio file like an MP3 of your AI-generated song. On screen, you might also see options to rename the song or share it. Suno allows downloading songs directly to your device, so you can now listen offline or use the file in your projects.
The stars above whisper his name, in every soul a burning flame. Guide.
Pro tip: if neither version is quite right, tweak your prompt or add more detail and generate again. Small changes often lead to big improvements in the result. Wrap up and bonus tips. You've just created an original song using Suno's free AI generator. To recap, we signed up for a free account, entered a detailed prompt, adjusted the settings, and generated 2 song versions. Then we played them and downloaded the one we liked. It's that simple. Bonus tips: iterate on your ideas, try new prompts, change the mood or genre keywords, or refine your lyrics. You could use a tool like ChatGPT to help rewrite a line before running it again. Experiment with different genres and styles. Suno supports anything from pop and classical to rock, hip-hop, and electronic. Notice how changing just one word like rock versus jazz can drastically change the vibe of the track. If you want a longer track, use Suno's Extend feature if available to lengthen a section of the song. Once you're happy with the song, consider adding visuals or additional production. For example, check out our related tutorial how to make a music video for your AI song using Canva to turn your new track into a full music video. Keep experimenting and have fun. Each new prompt is a chance to create something unique with AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more fun tech and music tips. Got questions or want to share your AI song? Drop a comment below with your thoughts or a link to your creation. I'd love to hear what you made. And don't forget to watch our next video on how to make a music video for your AI song using Canva for even more creative ideas. Thanks for watching.